So this is how people have been keeping updates. And trust me, on this page, I'm always going to be giving you guys updates on anything that has to do with AI video creation or AI image creation. So I just found this new website. You don't even need to start thinking of what prompt to use to generate pictures. All you just have to do is just go to that website, and there are millions of prompts to use. You just copy it and then you paste, and then it will generate a picture of you like within seconds. So let's get into it. So you go to your Chrome browser and type Meigen AI, Meigen AI. So that this is the one that you are going to click on, guys. So if you don't know how to write prompts to get wonderful pictures, this is where you go to. So I'll click on this and wait for it to load. Okay, so it's rolling. Then you see this search button. This is the home page. You see this search button. This is where you are going to search whatever kind of picture you want to recreate, any kind of picture whatsoever. So I'm going to click on mine, and then I'm going to type podcast. I want a podcast kind of image. But if I see something else that I like or that catches my attention, then I will go for it. Okay, okay, I think I already see what I like. I've already seen what I like. So let me go for this picture here. Any picture, just click on it. Now, can you see where they have show more? Can you see the prompt this person used in generating this picture already? All you just need is to click on this copy, and that is all. You've copied your prompt. Then you head over to your image generation tool. For this class, I'm using Google Gemini. You can use Chat GPT or Google Flow. So I paste it here, and then this is it. You can go through the prompt. If there's something you want to change about it, probably the color of the clothes, you can edit it, right? So I'll come here, click the plus, and then I'm going to add my image that I want to use. Please use an image that shows your face very clearly, and then you tap on enter, and Gemini is going to give me my image. It's going to give me my image. Let's wait for it. Mhm. Okay, good, awesome, awesome. Now I can see that the image has writings in the middle. There's a writing in the middle, and I want it to change to my name. So that's one good thing about Gemini. You can always re-edit and modify. So I'm just going to type and say, okay, the writing in the middle, I don't want it to be that. I want you to change the writing. Let me type it. I want you to change the writing in the image to see you again. Whatever you want it to change, whatever, please put it in quotation mark, open and close. So I write see you again, and then I'm going to put my brand name, which is the She-Analyst. So while we wait for this to generate, please follow, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share this video so that others can then. Awesome. So I'm just going to click on save and download my picture, and voila, here is your image, just like that. So you don't need to be worrying yourself about where to get prompts or how to get prompts. This is how I get prompts to create ultra realistic looking photos with my face. Thank you. I'm always going to be giving you guys AI tips on video generation and image generation.